Hello all, my name is Kushal Bharadwaj and our project name is AI powered judicial chatbot. Our group name is G246. Our teammates are me, Charan Sai, Balaji, Lakshman, Rahul and Kader Pasha. Now I am going to explain about our project problem statement. Now I am going to talk about the background of our problem statement. Department of Justice is a part of Ministry of Law and Justice. Its primary responsibility is to facilitate administration of justice and legal legal affairs in the country. The main functions of Department of Justice are uh, court infrastructure and judicial reforms. Now I am going to talk about description of our project. Our project involves developing a chatbot for the Department of Justice website. Our chatbot will assist users by answering questions such as information on DOJ divisions, number of court judges and court vacancies, case pendency, and how to pay traffic fines, how to file a case, and court case streaming, details on fast track courts, e-court services, and telelaw access. Our chatbot will enhance user experience and handle large data sets as the scope expands. And our chatbot preferably improves over time and it gives accurate responses and handle the huge amount of data. Now I'm going to talk about features of our project. Our project gives privacy and security for the user data and it is user friendly. It is interactive learning where user will give input and it will produce output according to that input, and it is scalability. It will handle large amount of data and it gives accurate results. Technologies that we are going to use in our project are: for the front end we will be using HTML, CSS, JavaScript and React.js. We will design our interface or chatbot using React.js. We can create a single page application using React.js. For the backend, we will be using Node.js, Express.js, and Flask. Uh, they will handle the routes, and we will design our model using pre-trained large language models like Llama 3, GPT-4. We will be using retrieval augmented graph framework because our the data that we will feed to our chatbot will changes every time, and we will be using TensorFlow. The agent framework that we are going to use in this project is LangChain. And for data storing, we will be using MongoDB. The data which we will be storing in database are like username, password, and user credentials, and the previous user queries. And we will be using libraries like Pandas, NumPy for the data processing. Now I am going to talk about architecture of our project. For the front end, HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, React handles front end. First of all, there will be a sign up page for the users to create an account in order to access our chatbot. And there will be a login page where the user have to enter his or her credentials in order to uh, uh, for authentication. Our on the front end for the chatbot will be uh, we will be displaying the previous user queries and uh, answers for that queries, and the user can give his query, and our model will generate uh, answer according to that query, and the middleware is that we are going to use is Express.js, which handles API routing and interaction between front end and back end, where uh, the query from the front end is taken and passes through middleware and it is given to the model, where the model identify the similar chunks according to the query and generates the output and passes to the middleware, and it will be displayed in the front end. For the backend, we are going to use MongoDB as database. It is used for storing user credentials, and it is used for retrieving user queries, previous user queries. LLM integration. Uh, our model will learn from interactions and provide user queries on DOJ. Uh, API integration for generating dynamic content and responses. We will train our model large amount of data that it will give accurate results. Thank you.